Hey everybody, Chief Lukens here with your AI tip in 15 minutes or less. And today I want to show you how you can make a PowerPoint presentation from a body cam transcript. Maybe you have to do some sort of presentation about content or what happened or whatever it is. Could be a community policing event, doesn't matter what it is. So I've already got the transcript. I'll show you later how you go through some of those things, but I'm just going to copy and paste it into Copilot. I've already said, give me a detailed summary of less than 2,000 characters of the following. So I throw in the traffic stop, which was a traffic stop I was able to pull off of the internet. And so it basically says this information, the dialogue, this person is agitated and so forth. So we have that information. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into my PowerPoint screen. I'm going to click on my Copilot. I'm going to ask it to create a presentation. And I'm going to say, create a presentation about that very summary. The whole reason that I did that was because if I just took that transcript, it will be more than 2,000 characters. So I need to go to Copilot first. I need to get it summarized. Then I'll throw it into here. I'm going to look at that summary and see if that summary is accurate of what the transcript basically says. And I'm going to go ahead and say, all right, generate my presentation. See what it has to say, what it looks like, and so forth. And so it looks pretty good. I'm looking at it at the slides that it gave me. I'm going to say generate slides. And I have now spent, maybe 10 minutes on getting the transcript, copying and pasting the transcript, getting a summary of the transcript, and then throwing this into my presentation. I'm asking it to build the slides for me. I'm asking it to generate the content. Everything is coming from that transcript. Now, we talk about human oversight with AI and the concerns that are all associated with that. And there can be, a lot that goes into it. But at the end of the day, you'll be able to look at this and say, that slide's off, that information's not there. So, just having a general oversight of what things look like is probably relatively good. But what you can see is this does take it a little while to generate this PowerPoint presentation. And because I didn't give it enough perhaps command prompts, it's asking for a lot of other information that it's trying to generate. And so it's talking about conflict, it's talking about emotional state. And this was a classic video of a traffic stop where an individual was very angry with the state trooper that had stopped them. And so there's a lot of, back and forth and perhaps some bantering on the individual side. But this gives us the opportunity to have a presentation that is now generated. It's all set. You can see that it's here. I say that I want to keep it. And I now have a PowerPoint presentation that's going to give me the analysis between what happened with these people, the agenda. I can do context overview. I can set up the background. I can introduce who the two different speakers are of those individuals. Everything is already set and done, and it's all been pulled from that information. So in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, you actually have a presentation that's ready to go with the tools that you already have. And I think you'll find that it makes your life a lot easier. I do want you to keep in mind your employer's policies, respect privacy, be mindful of ethical practices. I'm always committed to public safety, though. So if this is helping somebody else, I want you to be able to share it with other people so they can like and subscribe and benefit from it. If you have questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you, and be well.